Today topic is machine operation. First is modis operations, tool selection indexing. Third is tool offset origin, work zero center corner, tool offset in Z axis, M code, voice and chuck, momenting on MC stable, modules of operations. Editing mode is used to manually feed the programs into the machine's controller. Alter, insert, delete, cancel, input, endo block, and the make keys used to input the programs into the machines. Auto modes is used to run the program in the automatic mode and the produce the part. MDI manual data input is a full form. MDI. To use this mode, select the MDI mode and press the program key. To index tool selection, select MDI mode and go to program types T1 M06, press insert or input, press cycle start, go to position and confirm tool station T1, mount the required tools on tool station T1. Now whenever in programs T1 is select same tool will get indexed. Tool magazine's position is not important. Make a list of tool numbers and the tools mounted here. For example, T1 ER25 collet chuck, T2 ER25 collet chuck, T3 face milling cutter 63 dia, 4 T4 drilling chuck, T5 face milling cutter as 18 dia. To select T2 input T2 M06 in MDI and press cycle start to rotate the spindle in the MDI and input M03 S500, press cycle start M03 spindle enable command and S is the RPM, that is the spindle removal per minute as can vary depend upon requirement and can go as higher at 800 8000. Job is job in job mode and XYZ axis can be moved in both direction selection. The axis can press axis or axis switch. The speed of axis movement can be controlled by the field override key. When axes are moved in rapid, then rapid override key control the speed of movement. After calling the distance to tools like T1, T2 or T3, the tools is mounted onto the machines in the job mode. Hold the tools, press the switch to reclaim the tools. Tools come outside the spindle. Keep it's a side tools device the mountain another tools inside the required tools in the apparently a regular position and press the tools clamp key. The tool get plugged inside the spindle and get the locked. Refresh the reference modes. Selection the axis. For the axis selectors can press the axis key. The selected axis go to the reference position or machining. 0 Z axis must be refreshed first. Without that, and X and Y axis cannot be referenced. Handwheel or MPG. MPG started the manual places generator. Select the MPG is the mode selector in the connected the remote device. Select the axis and the incremental field 0.001 or 0.01 or 0.1 and rotate hand wheels. The select axis move in the priority direction incrementally 1 mm 1000 micron 0.001 mm 1 mm is 1 micron 0.01 mm 10 micron 0.1 mm 100 micron. The mount the chuck on the table. Screw the chuck plate on the machine table. The T nuts and bolt to mount the vise on the table. Screws the vise on the table. machine table, the nuts and bolts make the vice job to with respect to x axis or y axis with the help of a dial indicators within the 20 microns. M code का list M code M0 program stop M01 optional stop M03 spindle rotation clockwise M04 spindle rotation counterclockwise M05 spindle stop M06 tool change index M08 coolant on M09 coolant off M03 program and M98 calling subprogram M99 end of subprogram. Tool offset concept of machining 0 and work 0 G54 X0 Y0 work 0 within 54 X0 Y0 command table move to a position where work 0 come below the spindle axis. Work 0 means the point where X Y offset are taken. G53 X0 Y0 MC0 with G53 X0 Y0 command the table move to the machine 0 position, that is a reference point. With the G54 HDZ command the respective tools move to the commanded positions the respect to Z0. If with the command G54 H3D3 Z25 that one no three tools move Z25, that is the point 25 above Z0. Z0 means with the Z offset 2 of tools no 3 is taken on the work pieces. When we command G49 Z0.0 that G43 is cancelled, can the tool move back to machine 0 in Z axis, that is a reference point is Z. Setting tools offset, the tools offset setting the means the settings of origins of work 0, that are two methods of setting work 0. Center offset and corner offset is a center offset method. Center offset of the workpiece is the designed and the work 0, and is a corner offset method is a corner of the worksheet is designed at the work 0 Z. The X and Y value of a measure is the G54 page, so that whenever 54 X0 Y0 command in the program the designated center of corner of the workspace positioned exactly below the centers of the spindle or Z axis. Center offset. Select the tools. A face milling cutter rotate the spindle in the clockwise direction of RPM 500 to take a center offset is x-axis touch to the tools no one side of the workpiece. Press the position is the relative position. Press OPRT, press origin, press all axis. The relative positions of axis become 0. Touch tools on the position side purpose the reading 100 minus 100. Take the tools up in the Z axis or the bring its 2x is 2 minus 50. Press offset, press work bring the courses to G54 001 x press x0 point press measures repeated the produce for the y axis. Work coordinate from Z axis is not required. Z from Z offset touch the tools to the top of the workpiece surface or by the rotating the tools or by keeping in the stationary the end putting paper in between the press offset. Go to offset page with the help of the soft key. The take cuts operative tools numbers. Press Z and then press I and PC Z offset from each and every tools is taken so that the difference in the length and various tool is the accounted for the accounts for the different in diameters of various tool in the tool's offset page. The tool's radius or diameter is input manually for each tool. Now, if a G54X0Y0 is commanded in the program, the centers of the work is positioned exactly below the centers of the spindle or Z-axis. Corner offset. Select the tools perfectly of a face milling cutter. Rotate the spindle is the clockwise direction at the 500 rpm to take the corner offset in the z-axis. Touch the tools on a side of the workpiece. Press positions of relative positions. Press OPRT. Press origin. Press all axis. Press relative position of all axis become 0. Suppose of a diameter of a tool 100 mm, take the tools up in z-axis and bring it toward the center of the workpiece by 15 mm. Press offset work bring courses to E54001x. Press x 0.0. Press measures repeated the producer from y-axis. Work coordinate from z-axis is not required. Now is G54X0Y0 command in the program. The designated corner of worksheet is positioned exactly below the center of the spindle or z-axis. For z-axis, the produce used is the same as the center offset. We must not forget the Z offset is required to be taken for each and every tool wears the work 0. That is the center or corner offset is x and y is set only once using the perfectly is a face milling cutter and not required for each and every tools. This is the image z-axis, y-axis, x-axis, machines, tables, features, machine tools, coordinate system for NC. Hole dial in VMC. Whenever we are required to work on a per drilling hole on a VMC machine to the perform boring and any features operations on the hole, the center of the hole must exactly be the below the center of machine spindle. That is achieved by hole dial. In case a hole is drilling or bored on the VMC machine, that we know the coordinates of that the holes, the means of the centers of the holes can be brought in line with the centers of a machining spindle by moving the tables to those coordinates, but that if the holes is already drilling in the components on some other machining in that event now the coordinate at which centers of the holes will come a alignment with the corner of machine spindle produced to find those coordinates is now as a whole dialing. There the hole is brought below the machine spindle by moving the table in x-axis, x and y-axis direction. The a dial is held in the collet chuck on the machine spindle. The spindle is rotated by the hand and the dial is lower in the hole. Now the table move in x and y direction by hand wheel or MPG so that the read on the dial is always 0. As we take a compare a completed revolutions on a spindle, the x and y coordinates thus the obtained are used in the program whenever we wish to bring the holes exactly below the machine spindle. Alternatively, at the positions we now we may take work 0 offset so that the center of the holes become x0 y0 point. This is a dial hole dial in VMC. It is a job of dialing. Full introductions of hole dialing in VMC.